Mm. Hey guys, sorry I didn't post this Monday or Tuesday, but we getting into it, all right? It's the end of the week. Usually I post at the beginning of the week. As you know, if you're a subscriber, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. It's free, it's easy, it's one click away, one button down below. Just subscribe. It will really help your girl out. And make sure you watch the whole video, of course. This is a homemade meal. We got a lot going on here, okay? We got options, all right? This ain't Chick-fil-A. I just made this in my kitchen. Look how thick that chicken is. I was not playing, okay? So we did a grilled chicken breast, mayo, lettuce, tomato on the brioche bun. We just cut it in half. We got our pickles, Grillo's pickles, of course. If you know, you know. I got a Pepsi that I'm gonna drink because I know you already know the deal. And then we have a couple sauces. I have honey mustard and Polynesian sauce that I found at the grocery store that I really love on my chicken sandwiches because it is looking Chick-fil-A worthy, I must say. And then I got these. So let me show you. It's these, my new discovery. These are really good, but they're actually really spicy. So I don't have too many. And with the lime, I'm telling you, they're so good. But I'm very thirsty, so let's pour it up before we get to eating. Spicy. Yes. Check out the nails. They're little hearts. They're cute, right? I went back along. Hope you guys like them. Okay, let's see. I'll start with this one. I took a bite because I needed to make sure the chicken was nice and cooked. Okay, let's start with the honey mustard because that's what I picked first. Put some sauce on there. Oh, gotta shake it up. Some honey mustard on there. Remember, we already have mayo there, so that's cool. Let me take a sip. I even take a sip for y'all. Let's try to get a good pick. First bite. Come on, sauce. I love honey mustard. This one is pretty much the best one that I found so far. We'll do this half with the Polynesian. They're so crunchy too. You know what I want to do? I want to get a pic with both. Let's see if I can do it. Of course, I didn't prepare. Oh my God. Okay. Polynesian. I don't want to make too much of a mess. Excuse me. I was trying to take the picture. This looks amazing. Let's bite it. Mmm. 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 Amazing. Mmm. Mm-hmm. We got Chick-fil-A at home. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to cut that out. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Oops. Mm. Some honey mustard on there. Come on. Mm. By the way, this is not sponsored. I just love these sauces. This one got a little messy. With this little bun on top. Now, what is that gonna do? Mm. 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 Oh my god. Let's try that again. Mm. My tongue is red. Okay. This was like a hearty ass sandwich. It didn't come all the way. Hold on. I do have to burp, but it's like taking forever. It's stuck. So I'm stuck in my teeth too. Oh my god. Excuse me. Whoa. Excuse me. See, that came from the depths. I knew it was in there. Sorry, guys. It's the Pepsi. Mm. Mm-hmm. So crunchy. Give me that pickle. Mm. Guys, you know what? Pat on the back. I did a good job. I did a damn good job. Mm. When in doubt, fry that chicken at home. Literally got thin sliced chicken breast. So basically it's 2 chicken breasts cut in half. So they're like thinner. And then, you know, clean them with some lemon. Then I season them with just adobo and excuse me, adobo and black pepper and a little bit of cayenne pepper. So, you know, a little spice never hurt. Excuse me. And then I did like a egg wash. I don't know. Raw egg, you know. Dip it in there, then you dip it in some breadcrumbs. I did breadcrumbs, not flour. Plain breadcrumbs. And then you fry it. And that's it. Flip, flip, done. Brioche bun. Just regular old mayo, lettuce, tomato. You know? Whatever toppings you want, whatever sauces you want. Got these from the grocery store. And that's it. You do what it do. You know what I'm saying? So, hope you enjoyed the video. And let me know if you guys ever make chicken sandwiches at home. How do you do it? Do you do it differently? Is there a better way? What's up? What's up? What's up? I have seen other ways to do it. I really want to try to do like a honey hot chicken or hot honey chicken, however you say it, sandwich, or maybe some even tenders. So stay tuned. Until then, peace out.